Thank you a lot. Thank you a lot. It's Sunday morning, it's Valentine Day, and still you joined us. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for that. I really appreciate it. And with some wonderful authors, I completed the book last week. Most of them had done it in 5 days. Few of them take 1 or 2 days extra, but yes, it is commendable. Like people, they don't believe that everyone can write a book. And when it comes to writing a book, people think it's a lifelong process. It takes years and years. But these awesome authors have proved it that you can write a book in 5 days. And guys, it's not gonna be. It was not easy. These guys can tell you it was really tough, but they've done it. So a very big of applause for all these authors. They deserve it. They deserve it. And one more thing I want to tell you, we have a wonder over here, a small wonder called Mishika. She's just 5 and she published her book. I believe probably she's the first one in not in India but in Asia in this year to write a book at the year 5 on COVID. And we are certainly going to apply for India Book of Record and then Asia Book of Record. And guys, I need all of your blessings and best wishes for her. So let her shine, and she deserves it. Obviously, for her, it was not just 5 days, because considering her age and the graphics that include, it took some time. But the best part is she did it. Mishika, again, this is specially for you. Mwah. You deserve it. Okay. So, guys, let me not waste more time and let me just hand it over to the authors. So, it's gonna be like this. I'll pass it on the authors, the celebs of the day, and they can talk about their books and their journey while they can introduce themselves. Uh, and then we can start with a Q&A where you guys can ask anything to these superb, awesome authors. And here's the sequence. I'll just read it out for you guys. We'll start with Mishika, then Manish, followed by Aniket, Priya, Aarti, Shabina, Nakul, Abhit, and finally we have Sarita. Okay. So are we guys ready? I want to say yes, a big yes.
Yes.
A big yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. I said yes, then I should go. Okay,
Yes.
Mishika, all is over to you now.
Can you
All
name?
yours.
My name is Mishika Gupta.
Okay.
Hi, Mishika.
So, hello everyone. As she says, she's Mishika Gupta, the young author of this book, Lockdown Diaries Through the Eyes of a Toddler. And she's 5 year, 3 months old. And I'm Dr. Suruchi, her mother.
Nice.
So, first about the book. So, basically, this book contains Mishika's feelings during the lockdown period. So, as we all know, this lockdown period was a great upside downturn moment for the whole world. But as a child, it was more difficult for her to adapt to this situation. So basically, it had a great impact on growing minds, like adults also. So this period had many drawbacks, but some positives as well. So this books contains the description of all those mixed feelings which she felt as a child during this lockdown period. So, and special credit for giving us the courage to bring to just convert these feelings of her into a book, because we never had, like, we were like, okay, she used to tell us that she used to, as a parents now we are into publications, because we being she being in a family of doctors, so both her father and me are in this academics, very much into academics, and she used to see us uh, dealing with all these publications and all. So she was like, I also want to write something. So we were like, grow up a bit more, child, and then you can. But then Mr. Anshuman came up with such a, I mean, bold suggestion. At first we were like, how can she? But then he showed us the path, and here we are with this book. So thank you, Mr. Anshuman. Thank you, and hope uh, 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 this uh, this being first in the series of many more. So thank you.
Thank you, Suruchi. And you see, the pleasure is all mine. I mean, I loved working with you, all three of you, you, Nikhil, and especially Mishika. And it was a learning process for me as well, and I love the journey. So thank you for giving me this opportunity to help you guys. So thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for that. Okay, then we have Manish.
Okay, guys, good afternoon and a very happy Valentine's Day to all. You decided to show up here, and I really couldn't believe it that how I could complete a book in 5 days. And the book I wrote about is my journey, how from mentally neurotic to psychotic to sane, how I got into spirituality, how I got the perspective of how things happens in life, how the universe works. I dig deep into it because the only way to find it is to search for it. And when we go in the search, we get different types of answers, and finally at a point comes in our life where all the questions about everything just falls away, and you are really happy with the moment right now. You are in the present moment and your mind completely dies off. Yes, now I want to tell about the chattering mind. I told in this book about the chattering mind, how our minds are filled with thoughts, everything, one thought rushing from here, another thought rushing from there. And in that conflict, we get so caught up that we really can't enjoy the present moment. We fail to do it. Our mind goes into past, or it shows anxiety of the future, and our life is ruined by this. So in this blue book, I explained how that happens, why that happens, and how you can get rid of the monkey mind, the chattering mind. Then I talked about my journey, my spiritual journey, how I read about different books from Hinduism, Buddhism, Taoism, and then different philosophies into inquiring your real true nature. Like, what are we beyond the thought? If there are two thoughts, there is a silence between them. And between that silence, who are you? If you ask deeply that, let me find out who am I? If you ask that question deeply into your core, into your very existence, if the thought becomes silent completely and your mind is completely still, then you will realize that everything in life is choreographed very perfectly, and the events which took place, the people which we meet, and the circumstances we come across are really well choreographed in such a way that our mind can understand it. So this book is about my journey and how I entered into spirituality, and the writing process was very unique, which was taught by Anshuman sir. I really couldn't believe that in 5 days I could complete my book. But Anshuman sir did a great job. He helped me. He was live in the Zoom call night, all night long. And he helped me really to come my dream come true. So I want to thank again Anshuman sir for everything. He helped me to come my dream come true. And thank you guys. Hope you will read this book.
Thank you, Manish, and thanks for trusting me that I can help you. And you know what? Even I was surprised. Even I couldn't believe that at this young age you're writing on a chapter like on a topic like this. It was beyond my imagination. But again, you proved me wrong. I used to think these kind of thing only people in their 40s or 50s can write. They can have experience. But at your age, again, commendable. That too in 5 days. Salute.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now we have Aniket.
Hello everyone and welcome to today's session joining. And for those who are joining us now, welcome. My name is Aniket and I am the proud author of How to Build Muscle and Burn Fat Faster, Proven Methods to Grow in Your Busy Schedule. This is my first book and I am really very thrilled and elated. First of all, I would like to thank Anshuman and the Fight That family for their support. As I always say, Anshuman is our guiding angel. Without him, it would not have been possible. I believe that our body is a temple and we should worship it. We should keep it clean. So my purpose of writing this book is to keep people motivated and spread fitness around the globe. I will be sharing my fundas in this book, which helped me gain from 15 to 80, from 50 kg to 80 kg pure muscle mass over a period of time. So, talking about my book, it is for those who are, beginners or recently started working out, the overweight or the obese individuals, those who have more storage of energy, and the sub-optimized ones. This includes anyone who has been to the gym for a while but haven't seen any results. Like they haven't dedicated that much, time, and haven't seen any result for a long time. And this is also for the uh, people who are D-trains. So people think that it is not possible to build muscle and fat at the same time. It is also not their mistake, as uh, uh, conventionally we used to first build muscle. We used to bulk first and then we used to cut down. As both the processes are different. uh, while building muscle we increase our calorie intake, and while losing fat we decrease our calorie intake. So but it is possible, and there are studies related to that. It is possible to build and burn at the same time. uh, yeah. So in this book, you will get all the fundas, all the guidelines where you can follow to build muscle and burn fat at the same time.
In fact, thank you for writing this book, Aniket, because there are a lot of myths revolving around the fitness industry. A lot of people spread a lot of myths, and it's high time we should come up with such books and courses or programs where you can bust the myths. Like one thing you say, it's not possible to build muscle and fat at the same time. But the fact is, if you increase the calorie intake, you have you will definitely build both the things, right? So yes, thanks for coming up with such a topic, and definitely a lot of people can get benefit. So no matter people whether they are trying to reduce weight, gain weight, build muscle, or whatever, fitness is the key, and your book can definitely help people with that. So thank you very much for coming up with such a topic. And then we have Priya.
Hi everyone. So it's Sunday morning and Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day to all. Maybe create love in the world. Okay, so I'm an HR professional by the profession, and otherwise I'm a healer and I have lots of things with me. And I used to help people because they used to come to me to asking for the counseling or the advices. So I used to tell them very practical and very casual approaches to apply in their life to help in a problem. So that's the motivation I got. Because one time I thought I should leave my job and I start counseling. I should take that profession as counseling. So that was the motivation where I thought it's a very practical approach and every can apply. And sometimes what happened, we are aware of all the answers. Even the approaches which I mentioned are very casual and it's very easy. And everyone is aware about that. But they don't apply, or if when it comes to like the problem when they are facing, they generally forget about it, or they get so like their mind gets so clouded they don't try or think about it that yes, I can do these things. So in my book I have mentioned approaches in a way that you have to do all the things. You have to do certain exercises because you have all the answers. So you have to find that silver linings in your darkest self, because nobody else can come and solve your problem until unless you are not trying yourself. And I try to mix it at an emotional, spiritual, practical and mental level when everything is involved. So whatever thing suits you, you can follow that approach. And yep, and yeah, I know that lots of self help books are available in the market, but sometimes like if for example, we read something in the book, but we are not able to understand. So might be you never know when the time is right, when the things can click. So that's what the motivation, because I was getting kind of demotivated that lots of books are available, many great authors are there, but I thought, no, I'm going to do it. So might be if it's going to reach few people, it can help few people. My agenda and my motto is done. So that's the reason I started writing a book. And again, thank you so much, Anshuman, because if you were not there, I am very sure for the next 5 months or 5 years, it's not going to happen. So thank you so much for that help and everyone's support, because see, it's like only 5 days or 6 days we are together, but again, we have that sense of attachment, and we are always ready to help each other. So thank you everyone who are the part of the family. And yep, so just read my book and find a very simple approaches which you'll think that you are already aware of that, but why didn't you apply that? So everything is there. So it's not like a khichdi, but yeah, I try to involve all the aspects of the human body, like the spiritual level, emotional, practical, and then the physical or mental level. So everything is there. So might be something can help you. Give it a try. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Priya. Thank you, Priya. And you said right. So it's a family. We call it a 5-day family, right? Because it's not like a group where you join, you complete your course, and you leave. We are here since March. Yes, you can find people from March who joined the first batch in March, and we are still helping each other. And the family is growing. The family is growing. And today we have 113 published author. Okay, and we have few people who have not published yet, but they'll soon do it for sure. And coming to your book, one thing you said, I completely agree. Like everything is in heart, in our hand. We can do it. Everything is within. So there is one prayer I read every morning, right? It's like Karagre Basati Lakshmi, Karamati Saraswati, right? So everything is there in our hand. We can do it. Just that we don't realize. And when I saw your book,
Hmm.
yeah,
I'll write a book on that, because I have another blog where I started at how from the first, when you're opening your eyes till the we are going to the bed, what all rituals you should follow. So, ठीक है. So please continue. I want to hear about my book.
I'll wait for that. So that's what I was saying. The topic we come up with, I'm sure there are a lot of books on self and everything. But when I saw your book while you were publishing, I took a glimpse, right? So अच्छा cheating किया मैंने बीच में देख लिया बिना पैसे दिए. Okay. But that was so powerful. I'm definitely gonna read your book. That is for
Thank
sure.
you. Thank you. Thank you.
No, thanks for coming up with. So I love this thing in this workshop. You guys come with such great topics, awesome topics. Wow. Okay, now we have Aarti.
Hi everyone, a very good morning to everyone. Wish you a happiest weekend. Wish you a happy Valentine's Day. It's the day of the love. It is quoted as a love, and I just want to mention that it's not the day when we have to like only show off. It's the day when we have to actually feel it. Valentine's is the day, like we have so many days. We have our birthdays, so we celebrate that days. We have our parents' day, we celebrate that day. So let's all be together and fill this day with a love. Hi, my name is Aarti Dikchanani. I am a life coach and I help people to reconnect or rebuild relationships. That's my topic, and that's my book name, Rebuild Relationships, Patch Things Up. What do you mean by patch things up? The things you see are not the way they actually are. When we see any building that shows very colorful, very shiny, very designful, and but when you see inside it, you see the cracks, you see the crumbs, whatever the things are there, you can see or you can feel once you experience. This is the same thing attached with the love. When you experience it, it's a different thing. When you hear it, it's the different thing. So just I have combined all the things, my experiences and the society going on and the things actually going all around. This is the pandemic we have already seen, we have feel it. Actually, when we think it that city Mumbai can be uh, traffic free, it was a dream actually. But when we saw this pandemic, it actually came out true. So, same way, it was a dream for writing a book. It was actually lying in my heart from so long. It was possible just because of Anshuman sir. And thank you for giving us this opportunity, and that too in a very short span of a time. That is only 5 days. Guys, it's not a spam, it actually gives you identity. I'm here, this live event is here just because our identity, that is the name author. It's not a small identity. People have started crazily saying author. It's a proud and it's a actual moment that is given by him, and we have never thought this is the technology. I am not like I was not sure that I can write it my book in a very short span. I just closed my eyes and I just deep down into that whatever he told us. He showed us the one thing which actually got impact on my heart, which is like you can write it, but there is a one thing you have to unlearn all the things. This is the mantra. Because of that, we came up and we actually showed up this. So thank you so much, and I already give you an honor for that. So, guys, just read on my book that's on a rebuild relationships. Though things are very minor, listening that, but again, it comes to that when you listen the things and you think it that should I do that? Do I implement that? Well, we know the things, but we when we come for implementation, we can't. Though the things are very small, like trust things. If you haven't trusted your partner, then you cannot go ahead on your relationships. Trusting commitments are the most important things. Have you thought any time that it was previously when I was in my school, we have the only thing that is a Valentine Day. Why these things has added up? It added up just to show off, just to express the love, because uh, people have thought that the one day is not enough, so let's create a Valentine week. So it was added as a flower day. We ever ever express love? Never. But the things we show up, that's the things we can like show and show our partner that we actually love. This is the small thing that giving a rose to someone, it shows off a love, but it actually reminds of the things that we actually do. These are the things actually included in my book. So all the things are included. It's of the experiential, not the things it has gone off. I am just blessed to have him as my guide, as my angel of to write this book, and I could express my views on this just because of him. So thank you so much, guys. Go on if you're actually struggling with your relationships. So go and read it and get experience and get the reviews on us. Thank you so much for the honor.
Thank you so much, Aarti. In fact, yesterday we had a panel discussion, guys. So, and the video will be out right after this meeting, right after this event. I'll post that video on my Facebook and YouTube. You can watch that. Over there, we discussed a lot of things about love, relationship, everything, and the views Aarti shared in that discussion was mind blowing. That was mind blowing. And now I understand why she was able to come up with such a nice book. So thanks a lot, Aarti, for sharing your story with the world. And definitely, there are a lot of learnings in the book.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the honor.
Now we have Shabina.
I'm Shabina, a mother to 6-year-old child. I'm writing this book to help the next generation of children. Having seen many children have been underestimated, commended, and misunderstood by the parents, I wanted to write a guide to aid the parents in better understanding the growing process of child. Self-relief questions will be provided with the book. Will give an idea of parenting, self-style, and purpose to develop your children. The reason of me writing this book was I have seen many parents underguided the children, treated children badly, just because it is their, like they are elders, so they can do anything. The parents stop the children by dreaming. The parents stop so many things when the child is very small, so that the child will not have that much of encouragement in his life to take on. So this book will actually guide you where you are going fault. This is about the parenting sins you should avoid. This book will help each and every parent to help out their kids in a right way. I wrote this book just because in the next generation, the parents will understand the kids better, and the humanity in this world will actually come alive. As we can see, there is lot of much lacking in humanity. So when we come to this book, it is about that. And how I came to know about Anshuman, this is a very, I can say, coincidence. Because I actually came to Anshuman because my son wanted to write a book. He's of age 6. From when he was age of 5, he wanted to write a book. So I came to Anshuman and I told him that my son wants to write a book. So he suggested me, why don't you write a book, like on parenting, because I can see that you are a great parent. So I told Anshuman that I can't able to write. You know what I mean? That everyone have in the heart that they can't do it. So I told him, how can I write it? Because I don't have experience in writing. I'm not so much good, as I'm into a designing field. So I don't know anything about writing. How can I do it? So Anshuman actually gave me the courage. So first day, I was just, like when I joined for the session, the day one, I was like, yeah, this is like a normal workshop, you just have to do it. The day two actually got me so much of confidence to write a book. And today I actually published the book, volume 1, and I'm trying to write on volume 2. This is all because of Anshuman, which he helped me throughout the journey. Actually, he was been with each and every one of us. No matter, like in 12 o'clock you have any problem, any issue, he receives your call. He just guides you in every way. Not only Anshuman, the family, everyone, they actually helped me to do this book. Thank you so much, Anshuman, and thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. It was really a very great journey.
Thank you, Shavina, for the kind word. I really appreciate it. But the thing is, when you called me, before that, I have seen your profile. Before that, you have messaged me about this thing. I saw your profile. And one thing that struck me is like, you are doing a lot of things for your kid. And you're doing a lot of things. And you can write a book on parenting for sure. And you can share your experience so that other parents, other moms or the dads, they can get benefited. They can learn from you. Because I see a lot of parents, because of our busy schedule and everything, it often happens that we neglect the kid. We focus on our work and everything. But the way you are raising your kid is commendable. So that's the reason I requested you to write a book on parenting. And yes, you did it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
It couldn't have been possible without you. Thank you again.
No, not really. I'm just a guide. You are the people who have done it. So don't give credit to me. You guys did it. Okay. Now we have Nakul.
To be honest, my heart is thumping like anything. I'm super nervous. But I would say this is a great feeling. I was never after the badge that I would be an author. I definitely wanted to be an author. But for this book, I would say this book was written for my son, Reyansh. Now, whatever we learn throughout our life, it is a parent's thing, because Shabina already talked about parents. So I'm also a father of a 1-year kid. So I always wanted he should learn a lot of things, whatever I've learned in my life, quite late. So the sole reason I wrote it was for him. But later on, I thought, no, I can increase it. And maybe people who are struggling with this topic, which I'm going to write about, the topic which I've chosen for this book is about the logo. Now, normally people have some misconceptions about branding and logo. So I say they don't understand the aesthetic value of being a brand or being a logo or being somebody with authority in the market. So I've seen people normally talking about, "Arey, logo pe kaun kharchta hai? Logo pe kaun paisa kharchega?" I've seen people, "Arey, DTP wale ke paas chala jana, ho jayega, 2 minute ka kaam hai." So this really took me like, this is not how you do a logo, how you brand yourself. And it is not their mistake, because in India, we have never understood that aesthetic value of things. If you go to Dubai, you go to Paris, the infrastructure that you see, they put in a lot of detail and aesthetic value to everything. But we somewhere have been lacking that, because we haven't been such a rich country, or we have always been under the rule of other people. So to change that perspective, this is the book wherein they can understand what is the valuation or what is the brand that they can achieve. So I made it very short, because I know I am not a good reader, and I just closed the books within first 60 to 70 pages. I purposely made it within 60 to 70 pages so that whoever is coming in would at least complete it. Secondly, I also figured out that whenever I used to do a logo, there were no thumb rules. I had to do a lot of research here, there, everywhere. I need to search things, and it would really take me off track. So I wanted something which is very precise, well-mannered, and step-by-step process. Because I'm a science student, I'm an engineer, and I teach physics. So we like processes which are nicely made, and it should be like automatic, click and done. So I tried to do it in the same way. I gave them thumb rules and step-by-step ways to design their logo or a brand name. And then once they are done, the last thing that we need to take care is to register it. Now, a lot of people make very good logos, but what happens is they forget to take the intellectual property rights of that logo. So I also tried to inculcate the best part is how to register a logo and how to get it on your name so that nobody else can use it. I'm not against sharing it, but still, if it is a proprietary thing, you should be owning the rights and you can have a good logo. A lot of things have been covered after the logo. Now, a lot of people do have logo, but then they don't know how to brand it or how to present it. So I've seen a lot of marketers and coaches are running their ads, and normally they don't get the leads converted, because I've seen myself, if I don't like the presentation of that particular person, I would never join them, or I will not even click on their links. So I've seen people struggling. I've seen them struggling. I've seen myself struggling, because I used to have a lot of different pages from which I used to run ads. Some pages would convert very well. Some pages will not. The content was same. The ad was same. The only thing was different was the logo and the look. And that's how it clicked to me that logo kuch to kehta hai bhaiya. We need to take care of that. And that's the whole story. You can find more on the book. I've almost given you the gist of the book. If you're really interested and you want to brand yourself, I believe you should go for this book. It is a very short book. I think it should take hardly 45 to 1 hour and you will be done. I put in worksheets also, because I'm a teacher. I don't give you homework. I don't like it. So homework bhi hai, sab kuch hai. You can try it, and all the best for your logos. If you get stuck anywhere or you don't get something, you can definitely get in touch with me. I can help you. Thank you.
Thank you, Nikhil. Nakul, sorry.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. As a science student myself, as an engineer, as a productivity coach, I've noticed one thing. People who are lazy, who are most productive, right?
I'm the most lazy person.
Yeah, they produce most output. Because we don't want to waste time. We want to do it quick.
Exactly.
And that's what we have done. And yes, it really hurts me when I see people going to the free sites to create the logo.
Yeah.
And I mean, logo is your identity, and you are copying identity. So this is not done. And thanks for coming up with this topic. I hope people will read it and they'll at least understand what a logo is. Logo kya kehta hai.
Definitely. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. And then we have Abhijit.
Everyone, thanks for being here, and thanks Anshuman for me giving me opportunity to talk in this session. Coming to my book, we all seek for success, right? We want that golden rule of success, but the fact is, there's no golden rule to success. आप अपने ऑफिस में काम करते हो, कॉर्पोरेट्स, मेनली कॉर्पोरेट्स, तो वहाँ पे आप देखोगे कुछ सर्टन रूल्स होते हैं कि टाइम पे आना है, टारगेट्स पूरे करने हैं, ऐसे मल्टीपल कुछ रूल्स है जो हम ऑफिस में हमारे काम में फॉलो करते हैं, पर व्हेन इट कम्स टू आर पर्सनल गोल वी डोंट फॉलो दिस। तो मेरा ये बुक बनाने का मकसद ही ये था कि आप ये रूल कैसे अपने पर्सनल गोल फॉलो करने के लिए यूज कर सकते हो। और दैट्स इट, मतलब वही मैंने इसमें थोड़ा इलेबोरेट किया है कि कुछ एग्जांपल्स दिए हैं, फिर कुछ स्टोरीज भी दिए ताकि आप बोर ना हो। और काफी स्मॉल बुक है, आप मतलब 1-2 घंटे में इसे खत्म कर सकते हो पढ़ के। दैट्स इट। और ये मेरा फर्स्ट बुक है, तो मुझे पहले इससे कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है कैसे बुक लिखना है, क्या लिखना है। तो it might be imperfect book, but I'm walking towards perfection. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you. With perfection, I don't understand what perfection is. Uh, you are always at here, okay? You can find 100 people over here and 100 people over here. So nobody's perfect.
Right,
Even
right.
Amir Khan, we call him Mr. Perfect. And yes, we have seen movies like Mangal Pandey, right? So perfection, I really don't understand. Yes, it's a lifelong process to learn, okay? The moment we stop learning, we die. We are dead man. So yes, learning is there, but perfection I don't understand. But one thing, when talking about learning, one thing I must appreciate. So we see a lot of things around us. Like for example, Mumbai local. So if people are from Mumbai, they can relate with it. Local trains, okay? We don't. I mean, a lot of people don't learn anything for that. But have you ever realized the timing? It's not 12:30 or 1 o'clock. It's 12:37. 1719, right? Time. It teaches you how to be punctual, how to be on time, right? So if you close your eyes, open your eyes and see things around you, you can learn a lot of things from the surrounding, right? And you have done the same thing. So everyone goes to office. They don't just go to office. They come to the work and they come back, but they don't understand the things that are not taught to them. And we have in your book you have mentioned those things. So I really appreciate for that. Thank you, Abhijit.
Thank you.
And then finally we have Sarita.
Very good afternoon to you, Anshuman, fellow new authors, and everybody who is on this call. Very happy to be here spending Valentine's morning with such passionate people. Now, talking about my book, Product to Market, it's a part 2 of 3 books, series with the name of Idea to Empire, 9-step strategy system to start a fail-proof business. This is based on my 9-step coaching system that I have been teaching to entrepreneurs, want to be entrepreneurs and business people for almost 6 years now. I believe that the biggest enemy of success for an entrepreneur is fear. So I developed this 6-step system to eliminate that enemy of entrepreneurs or future entrepreneurs called fear. So this book is based on all those 9 steps that I teach to these entrepreneurs. I converted it into a book so that I can reach out to more and more people. Often it is difficult to follow when you give a lot of information to people in the form of a book or a system. So I have actually broken it down in 3 volumes. And in this particular volume, I am covering step number 4, 5, and 6, which is how to go to market after you have developed the prototype. In this book, I have shared about what steps should you take once you have your prototype or a final product. How do you take it to market and your target audience through market research? What should be your business plan and your business model? If you are somebody who is developing a product or service you should read this volume and it will help you actually go to market as in launching your startup. But if you are just starting your business, you should read volume 1 first and then this book. That book will tell you how to give shape to your idea and critical aspects like understanding of entrepreneurship, why you shouldn't become an entrepreneur, and how to find an idea from scratch and how to develop that idea to make it a prototype and a final product. Both books are available on Amazon as Kindle version and hard copy. Soon I'll be launching volume 3, where I would cover step number 7 to 9 of the system along with funding avenues and the ecosystem support. So do check out if you are a future entrepreneur, business person, or you already are or you want to become. In either case, you must check this out. And I hope you'll find value in it, and you'll understand that entrepreneurship is not that difficult as people assume it to be.
Thank you, Sarita. I remember after I read your book, the first book, I asked you this question: when is the second book coming? So I was just waiting for that, and thank you for launching the second book. I mean, as an entrepreneur myself, I can say this book is a must read for everyone, no matter you're a side hustler or entrepreneur. So thanks for launching the second book, and I'm now waiting for third book.
Wow.
Okay.
Thank you, Anshuman, for helping me write. I forgot to just mention it. Thank you so much. It wasn't possible without you at all.
I really appreciate this thing, but again, thank you for doing it. See, guys, I understand one thing. I can only show you the path. I can't walk for you. You have to walk, and you have walked, and that's why you are here. It's not about me. It's about you. Okay. Now we'll open this thing for everyone for the Q&A. So, guys, you can ask anything to your favorite authors. And meanwhile, I'll request the authors to share the link of your book in the chat so that people can just click on the link and get your book right away. Anyway, we'll share it in the WhatsApp group also. But for the quick access, I would like to request you to share in the chat. And guys, now it's your turn. You can ask anything to anyone as long as they are related to book and everything. Okay. So yes. So I would appreciate if you can just unmute yourself and ask a question. Turn on camera and ask a question. If you have some difficulty with that, you can also post your question in the chat room, and we will read it for them. Okay. And meanwhile, guys, it's for the authors. Meanwhile, people are coming with a question. Why don't you guys share something about your journey? And once people start asking a question, then you can answer it. But trust me, that it was awesome working with you all. No matter it's your first book or your third book, you guys are awesome, and I loved it.
All credit goes to you, Anshuman, because you were the catalyst, I would say. Because we keep on thinking lots of ideas. Even while writing the book, I got lots of new ideas. Yesterday, I was not able to sleep just because of those ideas, that how my new book will look like and all. So we keep on thinking. So you gave us that strength that yes, definitely we can do it. Because thinking is not going to write on your behalf.
Yeah.
So you were that catalyst and motivational factor, I would say.
Thank you. But the thing is, see, I understand where you're coming from, but the thing is, it's good to have vision, but action is required. Right?
Definitely, because if I talk about myself, I was very timid, insecure, scared of everything kind of personality. And now I'm a kind of person, if there are even 5 people or 5,000 people, I will stand out. I am that kind of personality. So how my journey was that I applied few of the things on my own. I learned everything on my own. So that's how I started helping people, because people have seen me. Many people have seen me that Priya was like that. Now she is like that. So I'm inspiration for, I'm not appreciating myself.
No, it is
but I've seen people, they're changing their life after applying the things which I told them. So that's how I sometimes get frustrated also. The people are calling me again and again, even for the smallest issue. So I tell them, if you'll be dependent upon me, you are not never going to learn. So I block them definitely, and I tell them, come to me after 5 days. So that's how I thought, if I'll write a book, so next time I can tell them that don't call me, first read my book and then come to me.
Yeah, that's a smart move. That's a very smart move. Yeah. So the reason why people don't write, we discuss like some of you guys have messaged me before joining also, and you're like, it sounds too good to be true, and is it possible? Most people think it's not possible, right? Why? Because see, okay, now the facts are in front of us. 97 people of percent of people they fail to write the book in their lifetime after they start. The reason is they don't have a strategy or they don't have the clarity and they don't take action. And this workshop is all about action. So it's not about me doing something. I just tell you, share my strategy with you guys, and I push you guys. As in, not I won't take the credit. It's not me. It's the entire 5 Deck family. We all push you to take action, and that's the reason you all are able to finish your book on time.
I agree. Totally.
Yeah.
From nothing to today something, it's just because of your guidance and everyone's support in the family.
Right. I'll again say the same thing. We helped. Obviously, it was our responsibility to help. And as a family, we have to grow together. But you took action. Action is required. Without action, nothing can happen.
Agree to you. Without action, nothing has happened. But the thing is, you forced us to put that action in out. So that was the possibility we came up with. If you tell anyone, like you can write a book without writing a single word, it actually seems low. No, it's not possible. It no way. I can see Mishika right back again. This was possible for her just because of your technology. If we have gone through the like previous technology, it won't have been possible till now. You haven't created 112 authors in this family if you haven't that unique technology, and it was extremely impossible journey to add this author name prefix on my name.
Yeah, now I agree on that. Technology plays a vital role. Now it's not like technology is an option. Technology is the option. Without technology, you know, we can't achieve a lot of things. So yeah, that is what you. I completely agree with you. And since Nishika is back, I can see her. Yes. So I would like to even I haven't spoken to you guys about this experience, the journey of her, because she's so young, right? So I don't know whether she even understands what we're talking about.
No, she does. Because one experience I like to share, like in her school nowadays, she's being taught about this parts of a book. So she was like, she was being taught ki, this is the title page. This is first is the title, then there is author's name, then there is illustrator's name. So all of a sudden, and yesterday she says, "Mama, I'm the author of a book." But she's being taught that in school, just the parts of a book, and I was so overwhelmed. Like as a parent also, because this was the learning. This is first for both her and us. So when she yesterday said, "Mama, now I'm the author of the book that ma'am taught us," so she was taking it as a part of the book. So now I am also author of a book. Now my title of my book is this. So like our experiences. So it's a very good feeling. It's a very good feeling, and I just hope it's a very immature attempt because both we parents and obviously her, we have never ever been into this like book kind of thing, so in writing thing. So hope everybody likes it, appreciates it. It's an immature attempt, but then I am sure that she will come up with many more, and it will be a good kickstart for her. So, and thank you, Mr. Anshuman, all because of you. Like for us, all because of you.
Thank you. But the fact is, I never trained her directly. So basically, it's like that. People who don't know the background, I'll just share that. So Mishika's dad, Dr. Nikhil, he was in one of the batch, and he was author of one of the best-selling books. Okay, he's a best-seller author, and I was just talking to him, and I just saw like, can we try this thing? Mishika is too young, but can we do it? And it's not the traditional way that I share in the workshop. It was something different. Okay, And for that, she's too young for me to train her. I mean, you can look at her, right? So I asked Dr. Nikhil and Ms. Jia to train her. Train her as in the strategies were different. So they did it and they shared the manuscript, not in a format that you expect. And then we had to hire a designer and we did it. But the outcome that came was so cute. And guys, if you're reading her book, just keep in mind she's just 5. Okay, don't read her book like don't expect the writing standards and everything to be a mature thing. So, for example, if she had written pilot instead of parrot, we have mentioned pilot. Okay, so just keep that in mind while you read the book, and you'll love it. That's super cute. And thanks. So, how was the journey while she was doing the exercise? She was enjoying. She knew that she's doing something like this, or
Initially we had to force her, we had to motivate her that your book will be out, you will be the author of the book. So that way we had to keep her going, and we took a bit long to, as you already know, because it was a task to, you know, make her sit and do that and to answer that. So but then we enjoyed this thing, and it was a very unique. Initially I was like, how will she write, but then you told us that method, you know, it was very different, we couldn't think of it, we have never heard of it. So but then, as you said, technology. So
yeah,
but the journey was very nice. Well, it
I'm
was
glad.
unique. Thank you.
I'm glad, and I'm waiting for her the signed copy of book. Okay,
Yeah, she'll write her name very beautifully.
yeah. Okay, guys. So if you have anything to ask these authors, you can please ask. Otherwise, we'll have to wind up. And before that, uh, I request to authors, if you want to share something, you can share, and then we'll wind up.
I would like to add few things. Before the workshop, I was like, how is it possible to, publish a book in 5 days? So I just took a chance and I just registered for the workshop. And after day two, I guess, I wasn't ready with the content and anything. But then I spoke with Anshuman, and he guided me very well. And I know on day three, I guess it was 5 p.m. I was exhausted and I called Anshuman that it's not going to happen as the content is not finished. But he gave his 45 minutes to me and he motivated me, and that pushed me. It helped me to push my boundaries, and here I am now the author of my first book. It's all because of Anshuman, and we are very thankful to him. Although he doesn't admit it, but he, yeah, he is our guiding angel. Yeah.
Thanks.
Anshuman, if you don't want to take the credit, just think it in a way that you were the double dose of that Red Bull we needed most.
Okay, fine, fine. I really appreciate. Since you guys are saying this thing, I would like to invite everyone who have attended this workshop. If you really want to join this thing, this program, the 5 challenge, then I'm gonna share the link with you right away. Uh, yeah, I've shared it in the chat, so you can join the challenge, and I can. So every Monday we start this challenge, and every Thursday we publish a new setup book, and yes, now from every Sunday we are going to have this kind of event where we guys can talk to the new authors. They can spread their word with the world, where people can get benefited by their books, and they can get some serious readers. And I'm using this word very carefully, serious readers, because if you see the trend, a lot of people buy books, they don't read, and they don't get benefited, and there's no point. So in this family, everyone in the family, including me, including Satya, all the authors, all the moderators, we believe in providing value, giving value. So if you don't read books, don't buy. this book is not for you. Don't buy it to just put it on your shelf. No. If you want to change your life, you want to improve your lifestyle, get some benefit of this book, then please buy these books. Okay, so this kind of events help us to reach out with people like you who are actually interested, who are actually serious with books. Or if you are not serious, आप यहाँ पे आते भी नहीं, ज्वाइन नहीं कर, संडे का 11 बजे वैलेंटाइन डे, you guys are here with us, that means you're serious. So this is the intention of this event. So thank you a lot, guys, and I've shared the link of the 5-day Oz challenge. If any of you want to join, you can join, and I'll see you on Monday. By the way, thank you DJ AC1 and X1AWA4X 6G8SGAAE. Okay, sorry, इससे ज़्यादा पढ़ नहीं सकता. May I know your name, please? May I know your
Yeah,
name?
it's Arjun. It's Arjun.
Arjun. Hi, Arjun. Thanks for the kind words. Thanks for the kind words.
Yeah.
Yeah. But your name was really difficult for
Yeah,
me.
it's nice. No, I didn't realize initially, but when I joined the meet, then I realized that the name was something abrupt. Then I decided to just continue with the meet, and maybe at the end I just have a word with you.
Yeah, thanks for joining, and glad you liked this seminar, this event. And if you have anything to ask to authors, you can ask, or else, okay, you can call me anytime after this meeting. Yeah. So, guys, I didn't want to waste anyone's time. It's a Sunday, it's Valentine's Day, and let's wind up. So, guys, you guys are already in the WhatsApp group, right? So, if you have any question, you can ask in the WhatsApp group, and I'm sure every one of us will answer to your question. That I can watch for them, maybe because it's my family and I can watch my family. So, yeah, Sarita, you're saying something.
Yeah, so this is for all those who are in this group and they are either waiting to, publish their book, procrastinating their book, or want to. I think just stop waiting and join this workshop.
Thank you. No, actually, what she said is right. So, a lot of people don't do it because they procrastinate. And I always say this thing. Okay, I can't say this because Nishika is there. She's a kid. So, I won't use this word, but you guys understand. Procrastination is a B. Okay? So, don't procrastinate, guys. It'll kill you. It's a solid productivity killer. So, if you want to do it, do it. If not, don't think about it. Don't even think that you will ever want to do it. So that's what.
No, if not, then join this workshop. You will, I'm sure. 90% of people who join this workshop would.
Yeah, they do. They do.
Because we love challenge as human beings.
Yeah.
Give us kick.
Yeah.
As we are human beings, we always love to take a chance. So it's better to take a chance. It's better to do something instead of you do not do something and you curse yourself for rest of your life. So it's better to take a chance. We always as his and main perspective is same, as we should always give it a try, and his and mine perspective is same, we should never go for a perfectionism. We both are against for it. So perfectionism is that which kills you and which stops you to go ahead. So never think that let it be perfect. This is my mentor Pooja Punin has also told that start before you're ready. So this is the same thing I have been taught by this mentor also. So start before you're ready. When this technology was given to me, I was like, okay. Then it was like, it worked like magic. We have always thought of a fairy tales and we have never imagined this magic, but this magic works.
Right. Yeah, Nakul.
So before we wind up, the last word would be, see, there is something common in all of us, be it Anshuman or all of us. The reason why we all have connected is because we all are curious and we want to deliver value to the world. So before we wind up, I think we should clap for our own selves and everybody around, so that we feel appreciated that we have achieved that, and we should continue to deliver that same value again and again to people. And I would thank Anshuman. I have been the most laziest person, and I'll talk about the procrastination. It has cost me 8 years. I'll tell you precisely 8 years. I really was very enthused and in my 2022s, and today I'm 30. Yeah, but I had really missed that enthusiasm and charm that I used to have, and I feel the same right now after doing this, because you really challenged me out, and after a long time I really took that challenge. Otherwise I was like, okay, theek hai, dekhenge and stuff. But I just love this challenge, and I wish that everybody who comes around me, I would really appreciate if they can join this. It would be really great. So we can wind up over here if all are done.
Yeah, I think we can.
Yeah.
Because it's a Sunday morning.
Definitely.
Now it's Sunday afternoon now, and Valentine Day, and I want you, all of you, to spend your time with your loved one, not with, in this webinar, in this event. So, if anything, you have anything, you can ask in the WhatsApp group. All of you are in the WhatsApp group. You can ask in the WhatsApp group, and sure, you will answer all of questions. And we'll also share all the links of the books, and as well as the web, event, the 5 days challenge, in the WhatsApp group. So you guys can join from there also. You can read from there also. And one more thing I wanted to share with you. We are going to. Okay, I'll not share that now. That's a surprise. I have a surprise for all of you, all of you guests who have joined us, me and all our authors, and you have sacrificed your Sunday to spend some time with us. Hope it was helpful. Hope you learned something. And still, since you have joined us, I have a small surprise for you, and I'll share that with you on the WhatsApp group. See you soon. Bye bye.
Yeah, see you soon. We'll come with
See you
other
soon.
ideas. Bye. Bye, everyone. Take care. Have a nice day.
Do buy,
Nice life.
do buy our books.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye everyone. Thank you so much.